I thought you would like to see my new design team materials for Country Craft Creations. This is what I just received to make a project. I haven't looked through the papers or anything. I just thought I would do that with you on camera. It is the Simple Stories collection, Say Cheese, Main Street. And this kind of gives you an idea of where we're going. It's the Disney themed paper. So these are the puffy stickers. There's about 39 of them on here. Anywhere from luggage to food to words, sunglasses, balloons. There's a half of a Mickey. So that'd be good on. I'll use those. The seam binding that matches, there's like a garnet or a dark red, a black, and a yellow. And then these are Echo Park's enamel dots, and the colors will match perfectly, especially these three right here, and the white. This one I don't know. I'll have to look at the paper to see if the blue will go with it. This is 8.5 by 11 chipboard. So I don't know if I will do a larger book or maybe a smaller one. I've had a request to do something related to what do you call them, like traveler's notebooks. Try to make something where you'd put notebooks inside, like if you were going on a vacation and you wanted to record what was going on. So I may end up doing that. I don't have anything really 100% sure of what I'm going to do yet. So, but chipboard is always important. So there is some shimmer paper that she carries in her store, and this is the black shimmer paper. Let's see, it's the My Colors cardstock. So I think you can kind of see how that shimmers. But that's always good to have some solids, and I like the shimmer background too. That will add a lot to the project. Then there's this red color, and I have 2 of those. So the reason why I tell you how many I have is so if you want to make the project, you kind of have an idea of how much I'm using. So if you want to purchase these items, you know. Okay, so there's 2 of those. Ooh, that's really bright. That's pretty. And then 2 yellow. And again, it's called My Cardstock. This one is, doesn't tell it, oh, Sun Glow. This one's called Sun Glow. This one is called Imperial Red. And this one is called Black Bear. Okay. All right, so we are ready for the collection. Ooh. Now, I went to Disney, oh gosh, I don't even know how many years ago it's been now, and I never finished. I mean, I got my pictures printed. Well, let me see. My son was in like 7th or 8th grade, and he's now almost 24. So yeah, oh, I'm past due. I got to make a book. So anyway, I have the 2 collections. This is the Say Cheese Main Street, the main collection. And then these are the corresponding papers, color-wise. Oh, those enamel dots. Look, that'll go good. So that you can kind of stretch your paper line, not have it be so wild, and to kind of add some, just a different texture to it. So let's take a look at the main collection, and I should have taken this out of the package ahead of time because you're going to hear the packaging, and that's not always pleasant, but bear with me. So let's start with the sticker collection. Now this actually, the stickers seem not a real bright yellow, but kind of almost like a goldy yellow. So if you compare it to the seam binding, you can kind of see that there's a little bit of difference, and that's okay because you know they'll still work. Let's take a look at it with the yellow paper. So it goes together, but this is definitely more dull. This is definitely more bright. Okay, so the sticker collection, the sticker sheet has balloons, luggage again, a car with luggage, this place, Good Times, like the street on like Main Street of Disney, magic, the camera, the teacups, again sunglasses, and there's just different sayings down here along the bottom. Dream a little dream, adventure, go see and ride, on our way, comfy shoes, best day ever, things like that. So cute. So the first one here is a stripe, and on the other side we have some cut aparts. So these are 4 by 6. This is what happy looks like. That'll have to be on a picture on a page with my kids. Magic, this would be good for journaling. And then let's make magic. That's cute. Okay. Here we have the teacups. And on the other side, there's more cut aparts. These are 4 by 4. Say cheese, the castle, magic fun, having a blast. Okay. A yellow diagonal stripe. And then there are 3 by 4 cut aparts on this side. Big smiles. Our magic adventure starts here. Smiles from ear to ear. So that's a good variety. Some with words, some with pictures, and some with blank spots to write. So this has a light blue background with some flowers. And then we have our small ones here, the 2 by 2s. I do think that a traveler's notebook of some sort would be good with this project. And I won't do a pre-made one like Tammy carries, or at least used to, the Graphic 45 traveler's notebook, but I would want to make it from scratch. And there's 4 theme parks, right? So I could do a booklet for each of the parks. Yeah, I think I'll probably end up doing something like that. Okay, more cut aparts. Sign here. Can I get your autograph? What a character. And both sides. So I don't want to have to choose one side over another. So I might have to do something where there's a flip so you can have both sides, you know, so you can see both. I'll have to think about that because I don't want to waste my cut aparts here. This one's cute. A lot going on there, from shoes to the pass, you know, like the fast pass that you wear or whatever. I think that's what it is. Backpack, pretzel, and we have the polka dots, yellow stripe, blue check, red polka dot, red and white polka dot. That screams Mickey. This one's the red background with flowers. And this would be good for like an itinerary. So we could divide this, and it's numbered over here on the side. This reminds me of the picnic table, kind of, you know, the tablecloth. But there's yellow, black, blue, there's all those colors, and it's not just red and white. And white background with some fun pictures on there. There's quite a few different patterns in here. I'll have to count them when we're done. So smaller polka dots, the firework look, clouds and stars, stars with the black background. I like this because it can be for kids or adults. Yellow with white stars. Ooh, I really like this one. I kind of like cameras though. I don't know what it is about them, but I think they're kind of cool. I like that. And you know what? I have a camera charm that I could hang off the side of the book. The wheels are turning. Red firework look to it. And the sayings on this side. And that's the collection. So let's see. It was 12 sheets of double-sided papers. So 12 sheets were here. So because I want this to stretch a little bit, I may end up doing the smaller book. So let me just real quick go through the collection, or the double-sided cardstock that matches the basic kit. Again, it's going to make a weird noise, sorry. I'll just kind of fan them out for you. So we have red, a grayish color, blue, yellow, black, and then this pink color, because there was some pink here and there in the collection. So this is the bigger polka dot, and then if we flip them over, it's the smaller one. So this is what I will be working with. I'm excited. I asked for this collection. You know, a lot of times I do like a shabby type thing, a shabby chic or real feminine girly, but it's time to make an album or something, like I said, from when I went a long time ago with my family, and actually use it and fill it and write about it if I can remember what happened. But anyway, that's the collection. Again, this is Simple Stories. It's Say Cheese Main Street. I also have the basic kit that goes with it, seam binding, puffy stickers, enamel dots, and some shimmer paper. So stay tuned. I will be making something and posting a walkthrough and a tutorial. I'll probably get 2-ish projects, and then I probably will do some tags with it too. So, all right, everyone, thank you. Have a good evening or day whenever you're watching this. Talk to you later.